During today's live stream, somebody came up and asked us regarding our composure algorithm ran over AMC because it has the ability to spot manipulation in the market. Let's go ahead and dive into this because I'll show you exactly what it found. Welcome back on this happy Monday. This is ARCa, and let's dive into ticker symbol AMC. Let's kill them, team. What is up, you guys? Thank you so much for coming back once again. This is ARCa and coming at you with this AMC ticker update. Please know that somebody asked us, and this is actually my homeboy himself, Dustin White, actually came up, made a very, very nice charitable contribution to the ARCa Bulls team and asked us to take a look at this very this very algorithm that you see here called Composure, right? So this is actually something that we just released amongst 8 other algorithms that are able to do several other very unique tasks. So this indicator itself is able to identify manipulation in the market other than giving you several other upside signals, continuation signals, reversal signals, capitulation signals, all kinds. Okay, team, so I want to go ahead and pull up just right here in a small screen exactly what happened live so that you can bear witness exactly what we witnessed together in today's stream. So let's go ahead and do that now, team. Check this out. Let's go ahead and run the Composure algorithm for a potential manipulation run. Let's see how close we can get it and see if we can actually expose some of that crookery, right? So we have that. Okay, let's see. So we have that blood diamond and also a red triangle signaling a potential flash sell-off on the hourly time frame, but that's not going to be all. We have to take a look at a few time frames, and guess what happened? Check this out on the 30-minute immediate short-term time frame. Absolute manipulation present right here, team, and it's present from today. This is incredible. Oh man, thank you so much, Justin, for pointing this out. I really appreciate this, dude. Let's see if we can get the community some more answers here and see if we have any other manipulation signals coming in from any other time frames. But now we're able to see that the 30-minute absolutely nailed it and caught it today in the morning. So let's go ahead and see this. It's currently being manipulated and it's being hidden in weird ways. Like this out. As soon as the 5-minute candle right here, I am speaking about an hour ago, team. Or an hour and a half ago, right? Check this out. We got that little pump to the upside, just like the PDF suggests, and then we get an immediate sell-off right here. It is currently showing signs of manipulation, even in the immediate short-term micro time frames of the 5-minute kind. Okay, team. So this is looking, Dustin. Damn it, bro. Thank you so much for asking me to look at that, okay? Because this is absolutely getting some pressures via manipulation. So let's go ahead and take a look at other time frames to see if we can get another edge in there somewhere, right? So let's see this. It looks like the 3-minute time frame is not reading anything yet, but it did print a blood diamond here for an immediate sell-off. So it's doing good catching those immediate shorts, right? So let's go ahead and see if we can add another time frame into this, even if we have to do the buy minute. Check this out. Let's see what we have here. Any signs of manipulation on the buy minute? Wow, they're doing pretty good of kind of hiding that, right? Not bad whatsoever. Okay, let's see what else we have. The minute time frame. That's sometimes it does show some signals, but let's go ahead and just see anyway and see if we can catch one, right? So it starts to get a little convoluted here with information, which then makes it a little harder for it to determine or decipher any type of manipulation since the candles are printing in a high frequency here. Okay, team. So yeah, but what we did notice for sure, team, is absolutely that 5-minute. Let's go ahead and get creative with some other time frames real fast before we continue on with the analysis on other tickers. 15-minute time frame. Let's see if we have any. So how about that, team? That is exactly what we noticed today during the live stream. We were able to identify that high probability of manipulation right on that 30-minute candle, literally at the beginning of the session, right? So we were able to catch that right away. 5-minute time frame also caught that manipulation signal too, which was just baffling, right? So my man Dustin White, shout out to you, dude. Thank you so much for having us take a look at this, and you can see clearly that we get these little little upside pumps. We get the manipulation signal, which is the yellow cross, and then bam, huge dump, right? So please know that you are able to acquire these algorithms by following the email in the in the introduction, which is the ARQ indicators at gmail.com, if you would like to get some more info on the pre-orders. So go ahead and get in touch with us and we'll get you situated, okay, team? So let's go ahead and just take a look at a couple things here, because I would like to share something with you in reference to the monthly chart, to be very specific, okay? So the reason why the monthly chart is because I pulled up an indicator called the Gaussian bands, right? So now these Gaussian bands show us where there could be potential supports and resistances based on larger time frames, or also some of the medium-term time frames. In my ability, I tend to use this indicator with nothing less than the 8-hour time frame, which is where I usually find the most success from. So please go ahead and notice right over here. This is incredible, team. Please notice that this capitulation that we faced all the way to the bottom side of that low of 318 just happened to be the low of the Gaussian bands located right here, and that is exactly where the asset bounced from. What I am saying here is that there is a higher probability that this thing has essentially floored. And this may be the floor here for ticker symbol AMC. I can't validate that yet. Of course, this is driven highly by psychology now, because there is a lot of fear in the market regarding the loss that it has experienced, okay? So I just want to make sure that I can kind of be as clear as I can be about that, okay, team? So let's go ahead and take a look at the last part of the analysis here, and this is actually going to be the RSI. So please notice here that the immediate short-term time frame, 30-minute, is still suggesting some sideways trading. The same situation here on the 4-hour time frame, consolidation. Notice how the 8-hour time frame is also consolidating with a slight downside pivot on the SMA 14 pink line. And same situation here. We have a bearish cross on the daily time frame. Of course, we have a daily, bearish cross. We just experienced that sell-off. And please notice here that the SMA 14 is also indicative of a potential continuation to the downside. The 3-day and 5-day are within the bearish control zones and the bear strength percentile of the RSI, which could essentially introduce a continuation to the downside, of which can be a reintroduction to the area of about 321 to 320. If I can be very clear here, 319 appears to be the very bottom side of the Gaussian band. So we're going to have to keep an eye on those targets there, okay, team? So since we are consolidating within the area that we're in, that is literally what it's trying to do here, right? So anywhere between the range of 336 to around the top side of 354 can be this essential chop range that we can experience while the AMC asset figures out what it needs to figure out, or while the fundamentals figure out what they need to figure out, right? This has completely been shocked, and it actually prevents day traders and statistical traders and quantitative traders to really get an accurate metric here, due to the immense amount of psychology presented within the asset, okay, team? So please remember never to take anything of which I show and iterate within these videos as financial advice, as I cannot actually suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever, okay, team? I need you to do your own due diligence and everything will be cool. But with that said, I wish you well, a very good night, and I will catch you at the bell mañana. Adios. Yeah.